can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve.
Today I'm going to share with you a Christmas decor hack that you can do for free and make your artificial garlands look fuller. All you need to do is use an artificial garland that you already own. Go to the Christmas tree lot, ask for the live tree clippings from the lot.
You'll need some floral scissors or wire cutters to cut the greenery off of the branches. Some of them are a little tougher to cut, so you might need to use a little bit of strength. Once you've cut your greenery, then just add that to your artificial garland wherever you want it to be more full. There's no right or wrong way to do this. I kind of just place some of the greenery underneath the garland, add some on top and around the sides, just wherever it needs to look more full. Don't forget to add some greenery to the sides of the garland, because if it doesn't get added, it looks off balance and just a little naked. So I just trimmed some smaller pieces of the greenery and added that to the sides. I kind of nestled that in within the wiring of the garland, but you could also use some floral wire if you have that to hold it in place too.
The fire is burning.
Some additional greenery to the top of the garland is going to give it some height and some depth, and that is going to help achieve that full, beautiful, luscious garland look.
I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you.
Thick, luscious garland for free using an artificial garland in our Christmas box and free tree clippings from the Christmas tree lot. And yes, by the way, the tree clippings will stay green all season long. I've been using this hack for many years now. Let me know if you try this hack to make your garland look fuller, and also tell me what your favorite Christmas movie is in the description box below. And I'll see you next time. Happy decorating!